Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to download the MySQL server. So you type MySQL. It goes to the MySQL official website. Here I am going to download the MySQL Workbench. So you go to the download section. So here we have to get this one as a MySQL Community GPL downloads. Click on this. Right, you have to get this one, right? So here we are going to do is you have to click on this MySQL installer for Windows. Now you can get this window as well. So this it is select as a correct version 8.6.36. This is the version, it will be current version. So you have to select this appropriate version here, right? So here you can click download. Okay, this one. So here this one installer, you can get the complete one. You can get this one. Click on this. Here we no need this one. Okay, login or sign up. You just select this option. No thanks. Just download my. Just start my download. You can see here. Your download has been started. You have to wait until the download has been completed. After download that, you have to go to here. This is the download directory. Open up. Double click on this. Click yes. Yes. Now your MySQL installer is open up. Here you can choose custom. Click next. Here you can select the this products MySQL. Here you have to select this one 64-bit. Click on this and you have to put it over here. Second, this application also we needed, so you write MySQL Workbench. You have to select this one. Okay, select this one. Next, our third one is a MySQL cell. You have to select this 64-bit. Click on this here to import it. Click next. Select all. Execute. You have to wait until the processor gets installed. Right? It is installing. To wait until the process get installed. So it's installed one by one. Here it's installed successfully. If you get this green color icon. Now here we have all the things are selected. Completed. Next. Next. Right here next. Now you can see here this is a port. It will be selected as the port. Click next. You have to type the strong password. It's recommended you click next. Here the MySQL strong password, give the strong password. Okay, so I'm going to type the strong password. So I'm going to type the strong password. After that, here if it is not type your password, it is weak. Okay, you have to type the good password, right? Okay, so you have to type like this. So I'm going to write. So it's still weak, no problem. So if you have to add user, you have to add the, so you have to click next, right? So after that, click next. Right here, this is your database save on this place, right? Programming data, MySQL, this is okay, MySQL server. Click on next, execute. You have to wait until all the process get installed. Now we have done successfully. Click finish button. Click next, finish it. Right. Now what you're going to do is, I'm going to go to here the MySQL server is open up. Here you can see this open up. So now what you're going to do is, here you have to find it over here as well. If you close it, you can find it over here as well. Here you can see MySQL Workbench here. So MySQL Workbench is there. You have to open up over here. So this is service running. You have to click on this. It asks the username and password. Username is coming here. Password, if you type correct password, click on this. It is open. Right? It's open. It's no problem. Right? So here's the service. You can see check the service as well. So if after download and install the MySQL Workbench, you have to see the service. Here your MySQL 8040 is running. If you are installed the MySQL Workbench, follow my instruction. This driver also running. Okay. If you want to stop the server, you can stop it like this. Or if you like this way, you have to stop it. If you have to run it, here this one. Right? So this port. Right? So that's how we have to install the MySQL Workbench. Right? So that's how we have opened the MySQL workbench. So your MySQL workbench. Yes, console. You'll get a console line. So it asks for the password. Okay, so what's the password you have gave? Simply you have write here. It is correctly have done the password. Here you will be able to create the database. Create database ABC. Press enter key. Here your database is created. Right, so here your database is created. Now you can check on it here, this database. You can go over here. This is a MySQL workbench. Right, so you have to here, once you correct it, you have to give a username and password. So here you can go to the schema. So here the newly you have created your table is there. Right, so you have a type it at 1 2 3. Here what is the password you have given. Now you will be able to access your database here. And now here you will be able to create the table and all. Right, so you can create the table over here. Otherwise you can create the table here by the command MySQL command line client. Okay, I hope you guys understood the things well, how to work with the MySQL workbench. So here one thing we have to do, the thing is we have to forget it, that is we have to give the path of the server. So here sometime it automatically not set the path, so you will, where you install the MySQL workbench, so here you have to install it here C programming files. So it's MySQL server, it's a bin. Select this one, you have to go to the environment variable. So environment variable, edit environment variable. Here also if it is not edited, here you click on this the environment variable, this path section, edit. So it will be given here, it's automatic. Here's MySQL cell, so I'm going to give the edit part, sorry, new, paste over here programming files, MySQL okay, this it's automatically created. Sometimes it's not created, so it's, so we have given here, it's not, it is different, it is different, right? So it's given the path over here, B, right? That's it, that's the thing here, right? Click OK, OK, OK. Now it will be configuring. You normally you have to type command prompt, you have to open up the command prompt. Now here instead of typing the MySQL client line, you have to type the normal command prompt as well. Here MySQL, here version hyphen version. Here it will be selected. Now we successfully we add the command prompt as well, the path. Okay, so I hope you guys understood things. So this is how we have installed, download, install the MySQL workbench and configure MySQL workbench in your computer. Thank you for watching.